Hi, I'm Steve McIntyre from Nimans, the go-to people for technology, and this is another 60-second Tech Talk. In this Tech Talk, we're going to be talking about this fabulous beastie, the EPOS EXPAND ATT, the large meeting room speakerphone. Now this has the perfect blend of sleek Scandinavian design coupled with powerful audio. It comes from 6 adaptive beamforming microphones and digital sound processing that make sure that you are heard by your remote colleagues, because the advanced microphones enhance the speech intelligibility, so it makes the caller's voice clear in the room, and the powerful speakers that are built in make sure that they can be heard with rich, natural sound and great bass. It's scalable. You can add additional microphones for up to 16 in-room participants. It has Bluetooth and USB-C connection, so you can have your computer and mobile connected at the same time. You can even blend conference calls whilst using them. It has one-touch access to all your Teams calls and is fully Microsoft Teams certified. So there's one button to get straight into it. So let's demonstrate some of the sound capabilities. Obviously you're hearing the recording now, but I'll play some music and you'll get an idea of how rich the bass tone is on the speaker. So this is with the volume set at around 50%. What keeps the planet spinning? And then taking that up to full volume, it is more than loud enough for any small office, and loud enough probably for a very large office. But great sound, great bass, and I'm sure you'll agree it is simply an awesome sounding piece of kit. It's a fabulous unit. Your customers will love it. Get one in from your Nimans account manager, get them to give it a try. You will simply love this speakerphone. Give it a go. Thank you.